Welcome back to Gas Ion Motors Reviews, the channel where we dive deep into the world of supercars, hypercars, and incredible automotive rebuilds. Today's video is something truly unbelievable. A Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport that has been completely torn apart, literally split into two halves. Most people would say a car in this condition is beyond saving. But today, we're going to watch the entire process of bringing this incredible machine back to life, from repairing a destroyed engine mount to hearing the engine roar again for the very first time. Let's get into it. What you're looking at right now is something you almost never see in the automotive world. This Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport isn't just damaged, it's literally split into two massive halves. The front section and the rear drivetrain assembly have been completely separated, exposing the internal structure of one of the most complex hypercars ever built. At first glance, it looks like the end of the road for this machine. But the team here isn't ready to give up on it yet. As the camera moves closer to the rear section of the car, the real problem becomes clear. The gearbox mounting point and the engine support structure have been badly damaged. This is a critical area because the entire engine and transmission assembly relies on this mount for stability. If this component fails, the drivetrain simply cannot sit properly in the chassis. Now the repair process begins. The damaged metal around the mount is carefully cleaned and prepared for welding. Every bit of debris and weakened metal has to be removed before any new material can be added. With everything prepared, the welding torch comes in. The technician starts rebuilding the broken section by fusing fresh metal into the damaged mount. This part of the process requires incredible precision. The welds need to be strong enough to support the enormous weight and torque produced by the engine. The technician slowly works across the damaged area, reinforcing the structure layer by layer. The final welding passes are applied to complete the reinforcement. What was once a cracked and unusable mount is now beginning to look solid again. With the welding finished, the repaired engine mount is revealed. The newly rebuilt section looks much stronger and more rigid than before. It has been reinforced so it can once again handle the extreme loads generated by the drivetrain. Now comes one of the most delicate steps in the rebuild. The massive engine assembly is slowly lowered into position. Carefully guided into place, the engine settles onto the newly repaired mount. This moment confirms whether the repair was successful, and it appears to fit perfectly. Next, attention turns to reconnecting the two halves of the vehicle. The front chassis and the rear drivetrain section need to be aligned precisely so the entire structure can be bolted back together. Interestingly, the team uses improvised rolling supports made from bin wheels to help maneuver the heavy sections into place. It may look unconventional, but it allows them to slowly guide the two halves together with surprising accuracy. Just as things seem to be progressing smoothly, an unexpected problem occurs. While tightening one of the bolts that holds the structure together, the titanium bolt suddenly snaps. Titanium fasteners are extremely strong, but they can also be brittle if stressed incorrectly. This creates an immediate setback, because removing a broken bolt from such a critical location is never easy. After dealing with the earlier issues, the team shifts focus to another major upgrade, the exhaust system. A custom-built Valvetronic exhaust is brought out and prepared for installation. The design is far more intricate than a standard exhaust, with valves and precision bends that control both airflow and sound. Up close, the craftsmanship of the exhaust system becomes clear. Every weld and bend has been carefully designed to fit the tight space around the engine while still allowing maximum performance. To further improve the sound and airflow, the secondary catalytic converters are removed from the exhaust system. This modification reduces restrictions in the exhaust path and allows the engine to breathe more freely. With those components gone, the system effectively becomes a straight-through setup, which means the engine will produce a much louder and more aggressive sound once it fires up. After hours of repairs, fabrication, and careful reassembly, the moment everyone has been waiting for finally arrives. The ignition is turned on, and the team prepares for the first startup since the rebuild began.
Let's do it!
Whoa, it's starting on!
The engine roars to life. The new exhaust immediately makes its presence known, producing an incredibly deep and powerful sound. The team listens closely, checking for any unusual noises or issues. Finally, the last test comes. The driver shifts the car into gear. The transmission engages successfully, confirming that the drivetrain is functioning properly. After everything this car has been through, seeing it ready to move again marks a huge milestone in the rebuild. And just like that, this incredible machine has taken a huge step toward being fully revived. What started as a split-in-half hypercar is slowly becoming a running, functioning Bugatti once again. If you enjoyed this rebuild and want to see more amazing supercar content, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching Gas Ion Motors Reviews, where we bring you the most exciting stories from the world of performance cars. See you in the next video.